Hey, Chris Menard here. Are you an Office 365 subscriber? Because if you are, I've got great news. Microsoft's come out with a new feature that works in Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint. Instead of having to type your documents, you can now use the dictate feature. I've already ran one test, which you didn't see me do, but I got 98 words in 60 seconds. What was cool is I had to do nothing to configure this microphone. I didn't have to run through a 10-minute saying different phrases. So let's do test 2. I know you don't want to hear me go for a minute, so I'm going to just do 30 seconds. I put 37 on my countdown clock because it takes a few seconds to get back over here. I'm going to hit start. It's counting down. I'm back in Word. Dictate. Hey, this is Chris Menard, period. Welcome to Microsoft Word training, period. Today in class, we will discuss how to use styles, comma, how to create a table of contents, comma, and how to insert an index on the last pages of your document, period. New paragraph. Do you know if you're coming to the annual retreat this year? Question mark. If so, comma, please let me know, comma, and I'll have a special gift waiting for you at the check-in desk, period. Time's up. That didn't count right there. Let's see how many words I got. I got 73 words, and to be honest with you, I may have gotten 2 or 3 when that timer was beeping. But if I got over 60 in 30 seconds, I'm happy. That's really good. Couple other little features. Here it is in Microsoft Word. If you're in Outlook, you won't see it until you start a new message or you click on reply to a message you've already sent. So let's see if it works here real quick. Hey, this is Chris Menard, period. Did you get a copy of the purchase order I sent over last week? Question mark. New paragraph. If you have a chance, give me a call this Friday, comma, it is nothing urgent, comma, but I'd like to talk to you about the upcoming retreat, period. If you notice, there's a small delay in what I'm saying and how quickly it's picking it up, because initially it looks like it's not working, but it does seem to go back and fix everything. New paragraph. There you go. I don't know. Looks pretty good to me. It beats, for me, it beats typing. So it's also in PowerPoint, and it's in PowerPoint at the exact same place it is in Microsoft Word. I'm going to jump back to Word for just a second. File. It only works with Office 365 subscriptions. Account. There's my subscription. There's the version I currently have. I believe this came out with version 1803. So if you don't have it yet, you will soon if you have an Office 365 subscriber. Thank you.